Hey guys, today we will be looking at the iTouch Air 3. This is a smartwatch, a very good smartwatch. Well, I got it on Amazon for 50 bucks on Thanksgiving break, so it came for like really cheap. Yeah, so this is basically a full-on Apple Watch, but actually it's not an Apple Watch. It's like the same thing as an Apple Watch, but it's like a rip-off, to be honest. It has very good features. Battery life, it's waterproof, it does all the same things as an Apple Watch do. Notifications, sports mode, heart rate, and everything else. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So yeah, as you can see, how do we open it? Over here, it's magnetic. And here we go. So yeah, this is the full box. It's very good for unboxing. As you can see, it has all the features on the side. All the things that you can do. Wait, look at Julian. It was so much fun. Let's do it again. Hey, yo, that's us. I'm just kidding. Okay, so it has sports mode, messages, heart rate. The reason why the boxing looks so fizzly because I opened this last year and I'm putting it back in the box for the video. It still has all the content inside, so it's all good. Okay, yeah, so let's open it. So I'm gonna open the thing like this. Ooh, oh shoot. Yep, here we have the watch. Wow, this is very flimsy. And here's all the instructions manual. I will show you the instructions manual first. So here we have warranty and watch care. I think it's best I do not show this. This has my instructions. Yeah, and this is the quick start guide. It's a paper of how you charge your watch and how to turn the screen on and off and connecting it. Yeah, it's very good. Okay, so now we get to the watch. So let's see how to turn on and turn off. So we tap and tap again. Oh, it vibrated. iTouch Air. Yep, and there you go. Here's Watch OS. So yeah, if we scroll, we see weather, which I have to connect weather and camera and music and message. Yeah. Weather, camera, music, and messages, you all have to connect to your phone for them to work. We also have features such as clock, where you can set alarms for like a minute or maybe like wake up alarms. These are all by chance. And this is a stopwatch, which it has laps too. And yeah, if you're bored, you can just keep pressing this and get to like lap 1,000. That's what I got. And then here's sleep, which will count how much you sleep if you wear your watch. And this is activity, like steps. It shows steps from every day. And there's a sports mode and workout mode. Sports mode, you can just choose which sport you're playing and use that. And workout mode, do running, elliptical, cycling, or hiking. And then at the end, we have heart rate, which 65 BPM. As you can see, the green light over there. So the sensor's on. Yeah, this can also record heart rate, which I did in 2019, I think. Yeah. I don't know why they're showing 2019. I just got the watch last year. Yeah. And here we have settings where we can adjust brightness. Look, so it's now not bright and bright, not bright and bright. Oh, yep, and there you go. The countdown went off. So we can also customize watch faces like this. So I downloaded this watch face. You can use the app and also downloaded this Minecraft one. Yeah, so I like preferring this. There's also Bluetooth, sleep mode, or how much you sleep. There's also how much percent, brightness, and also power saving mode, which saves your power by turning off vibration, lowering the brightness, and everything else. And if you slide to the left, it goes this. And if you slide down, it shows the menu. If you slide up, it shows the messages. Yeah. Overall, I like the quality of this watch. You can also remove and buy bands from the iTouch store. I asked my parents if I could get a new band because they would not fit on my wrist. Yeah, let's see if it'll try to fit on my wrist. No, it won't. Yep. Here's all for today, guys. Apple Watch. Well, not technically an Apple Watch. It has no speakers. And it charges by these VO2 ports. Oh wait, the charger's over here. Let me get it. Yep. Okay, so here's the charger. This is a very good charger. To be in fact, it's magnetic. So then you can just clip it on like this and then plug it into said computer. It actually tells plugging into your computer is the best way. I'm like confused why. Yep. Here we go. Apple Watch. Yep, this watch is very good. It's useful. It doesn't have many features, and it's, yeah, overall I like this. It doesn't have many apps, but it does all the things an Apple Watch does, but lower. And also the battery is better than Apple Watch. The Apple Watch battery dies off in like 1 or 2 days. This can survive up to 7 to 8 days, says on the box. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys loved this video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, where fortunately I can find another thing to unbox, like that fan over there, if you guys can see it. Goodbye.